Alright, so this is our agenda for today. First, we're going to talk a little bit about winter holidays, and we're going to talk about the learner profile open-mindedness and what international mindedness means. And that's an important part of us being an IB school, especially in the winter holiday. Also, right after that, we're going to have 2 more musical performances. They're going to be really great, and we're practicing a little bit right before we started. So you got a little taste of that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to split up. We're going to go back to our classes for our celebrations and for a bunch of goose chase activities that I'm really curious to see how they turn out and the different things that you guys are able to do. It's going to be fun, I think. Okay, so let's get started. Who can tell me what holidays do people celebrate this time of year? No?
Christmas!
Yeah, Christmas, definitely. Oh, wait, hold on. I can't. My hearing's not really good, so when somebody raises their hand and then answers, then I can hear it perfectly. So, Christmas, how about you, Joshua? You want to say Christmas too, Dylan? Xmas, right? That's another way to write it, right? Xmas, maybe that means Christmas with just exchanging gifts. Father's Day? Yeah, maybe. Hanukkah, thank you. Hanukkah, yes. Hanukkah. How about these guys over here? Danny, do you have one? What's that called? What's that?
Happy Kwanzaa!
Happy ear-splitting Kwanzaa. Nice. And what do we got over here, Felicity?
Happy Lori!
Happy Lori, that's from Sikhism. What else?
Happy Bodhi Day!
Yeah, Happy Bodhi Day, which is when Siddhartha became the Buddha.
Happy Hanukkah!
Yeah, so we got like a lot of different holidays this time of year that maybe we can explore and start to ask questions about. One of the things about being an IB school is that we want to have an international mindset. What does that mean? That means we want to understand that there are lots of different holidays and lots of different types of people that are part of our school and part of the world. We want to celebrate those cultures and those beliefs. And the holiday season, like right now, there's a lot of different beliefs and things to celebrate. One of the things we like to celebrate here, because it just has so much fun in terms of gift giving and getting dressed like elves, is Christmas. But there's Hanukkah, there's Lori, there's Bodhi Day. What else?
Happy New Year!
Yeah, Happy New Year as well. Perfect. Good timing. We worked on that, didn't we? It's perfect. Okay. So, international mindedness. It means that all of us have a common humanity. We're all people, right? We all have common things that we need and we share. And being internationally minded means that we're respectful of different cultures and different beliefs. And at the holiday season, there's a bunch of things going on. And the good news is that we get to celebrate all those things. And so that leads us to the next thing, which will be a holiday musical performance.
What'd you say, Dorothy? Yes, you're right, Dorothy. Christmas, Hanukkah, and Kwanzaa all celebrate with lights. Oh, wow. Pretty. Hey, you know, all these holidays are the same in other ways, too. They're all a time to be with your family. Yeah, that's Elmo's family. Oh, and to give presents to people you love. They all share that happy holiday feeling. Boy, Elmo sure is surprised that holidays that are so different can be so much alike. What'd you say, Dorothy? Oh, good question. Dorothy wants to know, what holidays do you celebrate this time of year?
My family celebrates Kwanzaa. I like the day of Kwanzaa called Kaumba because it means creativity, and I really like creating things.
I really like Kwanzaa because I get to be with my family.
I celebrate Three Kings Day with my family.
Me too.
For Three Kings Day, I get a box, and in the middle of the night while I'm sleeping, the three kings ride in my house on their camels, and they leave presents for me.
My family decorates our house in Ramadan when we put on the lights and we keep our house clean.
I like Ramadan because it makes me feel good that I'm with my family.
Ramadan makes me feel happy to respect my God and my elders.
I like to celebrate Hanukkah because me and my mom and my dad and my brother love each other.
Hanukkah means to me that I get to spend time with my family and they bring like gifts for us with happiness.
Me and my brother and my mommy made this menorah together.
My family celebrates Christmas, Kwanzaa, and Hanukkah. Christmas is a time when you can spend a lot of time with your family and you eat a lot.
Wow! Elmo didn't know there was so many holidays this time of year.
Awesome. So who would have thought that Elmo is internationally minded, right? Has an open mind and is celebrating all of these different holidays with these different children. So what we're going to do now is we're going to have another holiday song. So I think the next one is going to be kind of a big extravaganza, right? So folks, as we head back to our classes today, okay, what I want you to be thinking about is two things. One, I want you to be thinking of all the different ways that we celebrate this holiday season. Christmas, and Lori, and Bodhi Day, and Hanukkah, and Eve sometimes, it falls on that part of the month. So I want you to be thinking about that. And also, what I want you to be doing is thinking about your Goose Chase activities. There's a lot of things that are set up here for you on the iPad to do, so you're just going to have to coordinate and think about the things that you want to do. No teachers are going to share those possibilities with you. They should be great, they should be fun. Continue to treat each other nicely today, help each other out, and have a great, safe winter break, everybody. Okay? Always be learning, be responsible, and stay safe. Okay? So, let's give a round of applause for all of the music today.